With ChatGPT, you can create your own morning planning assistant, a personal AI agent that helps you start every day with clarity. This assistant can check your schedule, remind you for important tasks, help you prioritize your to do list, suggest a simple morning routine, and even motivate you with a short positive message. You can tell it your goals, work hours, habits, daily responsibilities. Then, every morning, it can create a personalized plan like what to focus on first, which tasks matter most, when to take breaks, and how to stay on track. Whether you are a student, professional, entrepreneur, or creator, a morning planning assistant can save time and reduce stress. So instead of starting your day confused, start with a clear plan created by your own ChatGPT agent.